Some people don't like workshopping novels. I really do, and I feel like it's like a big book club at that point, and it really becomes something outside of you, and it's really exciting to see your classmates say, oh, remember this part, oh, I thought this was going to happen, or I wanted this to happen, and all of that really helps feed into your process. And that was a big part of why I wanted to do an MFA program, was to meet other writers that would do a little mini workshop with me when I needed it for hopefully forever. Reading through my novel now, it is so touching to see lines where I say, oh yeah, I added that because someone in my workshop said I needed to go into their point of view, or I'm so glad that this other person made me switch these chapters around. And it really makes me see a novel as more of a community exercise than just me alone. I completely believe in the workshop process. Sometimes it's really difficult and you go home upset, and sometimes it's really wonderful, but I think all of those processes inform your writing in really good ways.